Good evening, dear teacher and classmates. The place that I choose is Chinkira and his beautiful church, the Basilica. This church is the most beautiful of this country and around the world, I must say. I was in this place last Sunday in my grandmother's place. It's located in Barrio Magdalena neighborhood. This church is the most beautiful because his architecture. In this place is located the image of the Virgin of Chiquinquirá, Queen of Colombia. I know this place because I was raised in Chiquinquirá. I'm from Tunja, but I was raised in Chiquinquirá. This church is visited by 1 million of people every year of Colombia and all around the world. In one of these sites is located a little market, and I must say this place is very beautiful, and I will recommend from all the people who don't know his place, to visit him. Thank you and good night.